Sip a cup of this creamy and spiced homemade tea after a long day at work for a peaceful and relaxing evening. Learn how to make a chai tea mix with this video, brought to you by recipes.net. In a large bowl, add the milk powder, creamer, white sugar, instant tea, ground ginger, ground cardamom, ground cinnamon, and ground cloves. Mix until evenly incorporated. Then, transfer the powdered mixture into a blender or food processor and blend the mixture 1 cup at a time until it reaches the same consistency as fine powder. To serve, scoop 2 tablespoons of the chai tea mix into a mug, pour over some hot water, and stir. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.